Energy management and power quality improvement of hybrid renewable energy generation system using coordinated control scheme.
Abstract.
The main objective of this project is to manage energy and improve power quality in hybrid renewable energy generation system by using coordinated control scheme is implemented. The proposed approach aims to optimize the utilization of diverse energy sources, ensuring efficient power generation. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references.
Results.
In this project, a STATCOM compensator based on a QZDSI is built parallel with the distribution network. The QZDSI and PV system have been combined into one in the planned compensator circuit, which uses STATCOM for switching. The QZDSI-based STATCOM model that has been presented. The AFF SOGI control technique directs the compensator to keep the wind energy system's voltage and frequency within acceptable ranges. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.